Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Prahlad Das. Today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can remove NitroPack Footer base. So for remove this base we need to install a plugin. So now I am going to our WordPress dashboard and here plugins, add new, and now we need to install a plugin and here search for header footer code manager. And this is the plugin. Installing and activate. Now we need to go header footer code manager, settings, and here add new snippet. Snippet name NitroPack Footer base remove. Snippet type JavaScript. Site-wide location footer, status active, and now we need to paste some code. This is the code. I will give this code in my comment section and paste it. And now save. Now we need to go our NitroPack setting, and now we need to clear all cache, click parse cache, and now if I check my website in incognito mode, now you can see our NitroPack Footer base is now removed and the code is working. And finally we successfully removed our NitroPack Footer base. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel.